Welcome once again, my people, to this YouTube channel, Corex TV. And on today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy Kirby. Now, what is Kirby? Now, Kirby is a Memecoin that was launched under the Fantom Foundation blockchain. Now, why is this unique? It's unique because this is the first Memecoin launched under the Fantom Foundation blockchain. And also, to make it interesting, with just a total supply of 3.17 billion, they have a market cap of about $1.5 million. Isn't that interesting? Now, a whole lot of you will be wondering, why is this coin unique? Now, just like if you go to my videos down, you will see where I talked about people buying Bonk Eno. That was about 11 months ago. And some of those who bought Bonk Eno, they are actually testifying in my DM. Now, this is another opportunity for you to also purchase what? Kirby. Now, Kirby is new, was launched on the 15th. That's just 3 days ago. Now, you don't want to miss on this opportunity to bag Memecoin. Now, remember, this is not a financial advice. This is just what? A guide on the potential coins that could give you times 10x, 100x, or 1000x. But then, it's also in your own discretion to do your own research and know when to opt into any project of your choice. Now, I'm going to be guiding you guys on how to purchase this coin. Now, the mascot of Fantom, FTM, Kirby to $1, read the legend of the blue Kirby. Now, as you can see, when you click on buy Kirby here, it's going to redirect you to a place where you could purchase it on Uniswap. But the best place to buy Kirby is actually on Spooky.fi. So let's go there. Spooky.fi. Now, I'm going to be leaving this link in the description channel below so you don't make any mistake getting there. Now, how do you go about buying Kirby? First thing first, create a new wallet. Now, for security purpose, it's advisable you create a new wallet before purchasing any coin, okay? Don't use the same wallet over and over again. You should have a wallet where you buy your Memecoin coins separately, okay? Now, when you create a new wallet, if you're using your phone, you open the MetaMask wallet, the mobile version. Then if you're using your PC, you open the MetaMask wallet, the PC version. Now, when you open it, you create a new wallet, and the first thing you're going to do is you go over to Binance. I will drop my link. If you have not registered a Binance account, I'll drop my Binance link for you to register. You go there and utilize either your P2P if you are from Nigeria or any other country. You utilize your card and you purchase what? You purchase FTM, which is Fantom. Now, when you are done purchasing Fantom, you you withdraw. That's, you deposit it into this your MetaMask wallet. Okay. Now let's switch network. You deposit it into your MetaMask wallet. Let's see. Okay. Okay. Let me put it here. Let me put it here first before we go to chain list and add our Fantom wallet for ease. Okay, trust me, it's very simple. There's no difficulty here at all. You just need to focus, and you're good to go. Now let's just leave it here first of all. Okay, let me log in. Yeah. Okay, so we are good to go. Now I go over to this place. Let me expand this. Why I'm doing this is just so you learn. Okay, yeah. Now, if this is your first time on this YouTube channel, I would really appreciate you give us a thumbs up and you subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates on this. Okay, we'll give you latest video on how to buy coins, on how to swap coins, and also on potential airdrop that could give you liquidity to trade the crypto market. Now let's dive into this. Now, as you can see, my wallet address here does not have the Fantom blockchain. So you go over to chain list, You search on chain list on Google, then you add it to your what? You add the network to your MetaMask wallet, so you could be able to perform the transaction. Now remember, this is a Memecoin. Memecoin in the sense that shit coins, they have no what? No use cases, no utility, nothing at all. Just what? Just it. No specific utility for the project. It's just the community. Yeah, the community is the strength of every meme coin out there. With no community, no meme coin is going to thrive. So I'm trying to connect my wallet here. So let's search Fantom. Okay, I've connected my wallet. Now I'm searching for Fantom. Now once it pops out, we're going to add it to our wallet, our network. We add the network to our wallet and we are good to go. Now the whole essence of this is just to guide you so you don't make any mistake at all. Yeah. You know, mistakes are irreversible in cryptocurrency and you don't want to be at the end of any. Trust me. Now you click on add to MetaMask and we are good to go. Now let's approve this transaction and that's all. Now remember, if this is your first time on this YouTube channel, I would really appreciate to give us a thumbs up and you also subscribe to our YouTube channel, Corex TV, for more updates on how to purchase new tokens, new meme coins, and also updates on how to position for what? Potential airdrops. Now remember, airdrops are just an avenue for you to what? To get liquidity to what? To survive the crypto game. Crypto is a game of risk. The market is very volatile and at any point in time you could lose your liquidity, so it's advisable you utilize only your spare cash. That is to say, a money you're ready to lose at any point in time. Now without wasting time while we wait for this to add, now we'll go over to what? To SpookySwap. Now when you get to SpookySwap, after you have already connected your MetaMask with the Fantom network, now you come here and connect your MetaMask wallet with the SpookySwap. And once you're done with that, all you just need to do is you deposit your Fantom, and that's it. We're good to go. Now let's approve this. Now this is also approving the Fantom network to be added. Now after this is done, you see switch network. So now we're live on the Fantom network blockchain, and we are about to buying the first meme coin on the Fantom network blockchain. Now let us connect our wallet. Now you click on MetaMask. Okay, yeah, it's loading. Now if this is your first time on this YouTube channel, I really appreciate you give us a thumbs up and you subscribe to our video. You know, this is the only thing that we ourselves will benefit in this game. You know, there's a sort of encouragement for us to keep doing what we're doing. You know, education is one of the best things and best way to help humanity. And YouTube has given us an avenue to do this free of charge, while they give us some incentive. But for the meantime, just give me a thumbs up and I'll really be grateful. Thank you so much. So now we're connecting our wallet. Okay, as you can see, we are good to go. Once this is connected, that's all. Yeah, perfect. Once more. Okay, I think that's all. That's it. Good, we're good to go. So now what's left for us now is to what? Is to deposit our Fantom. So now you go to your Binance account and you purchase what? Fantom, and you come over here, you copy your wallet address. Now when you copy this your wallet address, this is the wallet address you're going to use to receive Fantom from your Binance account. Now when you have deposited Fantom here, you come over to your SpookySwap. I'm going to leave this link in the description channel below. Now when you come over to your SpookySwap, here you go and what, search for the Kirby. You search for the Kirby what, contract address. Now I'm going to be leaving the contract address in the description channel below, so you don't impute what, the wrong one. Now how do we get this? We go on Desk Screener and search it out. Now on dextools.io, I'm gonna be leaving this link also in the description channel below for easy access. Now in dextools.io, we have what, access to what, a wide variety of networks, and we can choose the one we want to use. Now for today's own, we are using what, the Fantom. So we could search out what, our Kirby contract address, because that's what we're going to use to purchase Kirby for easy location identification of the coin. Okay, now it's slowing down, but then we'll patiently wait. Yeah. Now you come over to this place on this left where it's written all chains. You click on it, and once you click on it, it's going to list out all the chains available at our disposal. Now when it lists this out, we're now going to search for the one we're looking for, which is what, Fantom. Yes, here is it. And when we search for Fantom, you come over here and you notice something. At this top here, you see that, okay, this is it, Kirby. Yeah, at 0.00089. Yeah, this is it, number one, the one trending. So when you click on it here, it takes us into the chart, so we could view the chart. Okay, don't mind the network is fluctuating, but we'll manage. Just follow me, and I'm going to guide you on how to be done with this without any stress. Okay, here we have it. Now as you can see on the left, on this my left, you're going to see pool SpookySwap. Then under you see Kirby, and you see a contract address. Now this is the contract address for Kirby. Then we're going to copy. You click here. Once you click it, you've copied it. Now you go over to your MetaMask and you add it. Not MetaMask, your SpookySwap. Now when you come over to your SpookySwap, you add it. Yeah, you click on select token, click it here, impute it, and you see that the is going to searching. Good, blue Kirby. Now once it's done searching, we're going to add it to this our DApp, the Spooky.fi DApp, to enable us purchase blue Kirby. Now remember, if this is your first time on this YouTube channel, I would really appreciate you give us a thumbs up, and also you subscribe to our YouTube channel, would really appreciate. Now remember, this is just a guide, and also it's not a financial advice. If you want to purchase this coin, I appreciate our advice. You do your own research. When you do this, it gives you more clarity and purpose to know what to do. Now it's taking time, but once we import this into this DApp, and we have already purchased our FTM Fantom, all we just have to do is swap. And once you're done swapping, that's it. Now trust me, this coin moved. When I first saw it, I saw it at $800,000 market cap, and currently is at over $2 million market cap. Trust me, the first Memecoin in Fantom blockchain is going to prove numbers. I've given you guys an alpha call before. If you go down in my video, you're going to see when I told you guys to buy Bonk, and Bonk has done over 20,000% since the last time I called it. Now this is another opportunity for you to hop in here. Thank you so much for following us on this video. May God bless you. Don't worry, I know it's taking time due to trying to connect, but then I've already guided you through the difficult process, and it will not be difficult anymore. This is it. Now once you input the number of Fantom you want to purchase, you click enter, you approve the transaction, and that is it for Kirby. Now if this is your first time on this YouTube channel, I would really appreciate you give us a thumbs up, and may God bless you.